Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is some special cases in our practical geometry from 8th class NCERT. In previous videos, you have learnt about the some 4 cases. Those are if 3 adjacent sides and 2 angles given. If you take 2 sides and 3 angles given. Another type is all sides given. Another case is 2 angles and 2 diagonals given. So, in previous cases, we already constructed these cases with the 3 adjacent side and 2 angles, 2 sides and 3 angles, all sides are given, or 2 angles and 2 any diagonals are given. So these are the 4 cases. Already we solved the problems in a previous videos. See description box for the link. And coming to here, apart from these 4 cases, we have another case, that is some special cases. We have to construct a quadrilateral. So we need a 4 sides and 4 angles or a 2 diagonals. This is a basic quadrilateral construction. Apart from these angles and diagonals, if they give any, these are 4 cases we constructed already a quadrilateral. But coming to here is some special cases. This name itself, it is telling it as this is a special. So see here, draw a square of a side 4.5. In previous cases we already know. See here, sides or angles, any of these having more than 2, either sides or angles. In this case we have only one side is given, but we have to construct a square, that is also a quadrilateral. So now let's moving into the making a square. So it is with a 4.5 centimeters. We know the property of a square. So let's move into the answer. Given, make a square or draw a square also of a side 4.5 centimeters. According to the square properties, we know 4 sides are equal and 4 right angles we have. See, if you construct a square like this, if these 2 lines and these 2 lines, those are all sides of a square are equal in length and having 4 right angles, that is nothing but we have 4 90 degrees here. So this is the property of a square. Apart from that, diagonals cut each other, those are bisecting, perpendicular bisector also. So here we don't give the about the diagonals, but we have to construct with the 4.5 centimeters with the corresponding 90 degrees angle. Let's make a small rough of a square with a given parameter. Then we get into a step-by-step procedure for making a original square. Okay, let it be base. First of all, we have to make a name to it. So let it be ABCD square. So this is A side and this is B. This is AB with a 4.5 centimeter. This is the step 1, and put a protractor at A, make 90 degrees, and similarly put a protractor here at B, make 90 degrees. And we know the another side, that is from B to C, all sides of a square are equal. So take the compass help, make an arc at a 4.5 centimeters. So let it be a point C. Similarly, take the step here also with a 4.5 centimeters. We get 2 points, those are C and D. Connect these 2 points, we get a square like this with the all sides equal. First of all, going into the step-by-step procedure, we have to name the square. So let's take square as ABCD. Step 1. So step 1, here draw a base with the, here we take AB So with the 4.5 centimeters, name as AB. So measure 4.5 centimeters. So see 4.5. Make 2 points at 0 and another at a 4.5 and let it be named as AB 4.5 centimeters. This is the step 1. Next, step 2. Step 2. Take a protractor and make 90 degrees angle at point A and B respectively. So take the help of a protractor at A. Make sure that that point must be lies on the where we have to measure the angle, and line should be parallel to the 0 degrees line. So this is the correct way to present a protractor, make an angle. So let's put a point at a 90 degrees angle, and similarly take the B point to make a 90 degrees. So this is the 90 degrees at a and B. Now connect the two lines, 2 points where we get 90 degrees. So this is the 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. Next, coming to the step 3. Make an arc at point A and B with the help of compass with a 4.5 centimeters each, and name that points as D and C. Take a compass, measure 4.5 centimeters with the compass. There is no position error to make a measurement. So this is 4.5 centimeters. So put the divider, one pointer at a, make one arc. Similarly at B, make another arc. So we get a 2 points. This is C and this is D. Why this is C? This is D. A, B, C, D quadrilateral. So that's why it is C, it is D. Join the 2 points, we get C and D like this. If you have any doubt, put a protractor here and make the angle and 90 degrees. So we get a C with a 90 degrees here. So it is correct. So here also we have 90 degrees. Here also we have 90 degrees. And here similarly here also. And sides 4.5 centimeters each in a square. So equal in length sides in a square. So this is about the construction of a square with a given one parameter, that is side. Finally, answer. We constructed a square with given side 4.5 centimeters. So this is the answer. So those are the cases, but in special cases they give one side, so we have to construct a square. If they give two sides, we have to construct a rectangle also, because of in a rectangle we know that opposite sides are equal in length and having 90 degrees each. So that's why we can construct a rectangle also. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box and click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.